welcome back, y'all. We are back, and we are back with a bunch of things today. We're going to talk about our 5K binder giveaway. That is in this video. We're going to talk about my no spin, low buy yearly savings challenge. We're going to talk about our Dime Savings Challenge that I have flipped over to a tracker versus the scratch off version. As I told you in the last couple of videos, Jesse was getting a little bit taxed out a little bit on doing scratch offs. I didn't know how to put that. So we're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about a few other things. So if you are new here, welcome and hello to everyone. I've got quite a bit of new subscribers who've just jumped on board lately. So thank you so much to all my OGs who have been here through thick and thin. You know, you all have my loyalty as well. So thank you so much for sticking around and watching this roller coaster go all over the place, except for on the tracks. My name is Erin Lynn. I go by Erin. The only one who usually calls me Erin Lynn is my husband, and that's only if he can't get my attention, and I might be off in La La Land or something of that nature. I have 2 adult children out of the house with grandbabies already. I'm already a grandma of 5. I have 3 kids still at home. Danya turned 17 next week on April 29th. Jessica turned 16 in January. And Philip turned 15 in January. So I've got a bunch of January babies, y'all, too. So with that being said, we also have 4 beautiful fur babies. We have Bobby, who is 11. We have Belladonna, who is 10. We have Romeo, who is 9. And we have Jaya, who is 7. So our doggies are getting a little bit on the older side, y'all. As you always know, most of my puppies are usually on the bed sleeping. They're not actual puppies. I call them puppies because they're my babies. I refer to my chihuahuas as my kids. I refer to my kids as my animals, just so we get that out of the way. They're always usually listening to classical music in the background. Normally they have the fan on, but only the boys are in here sleeping right now. Both Jaya and Bella are in the living room with Philip. I don't know if they're running around and playing with toys. If they're napping in there, they can nap anywhere they want. So with that being said, husband is overseas currently right now. He is doing great. We just spoke on the phone a few minutes ago. So all things are good. Whew, y'all, there's your intro. That's the best I can do today. So with that being said, I'm very busy today. I got some prepping videos to put up. If you don't know, I am a prepper. Without Limits Missouri Prepper is my other channel. I got 2 channels still on the back burner. I'm still trying to get activated, but y'all, there's not enough hours in the day. Somebody needs to call out the sands of time and say 24 hours needs to be 48 hours for one day, because that's what I need in a day. So let's talk about the first thing first. The first thing that everybody wants to know about, the 5K binder giveaway. How do you get in? It is going to be chosen, the winner, quote unquote, I got air quotes over here, on May 1st, which is a week from today. I've got a week from today to build a 5K binder and put it together, which I've never done before, so that one lucky winner can win it. The only easy rules to get into this: number 1, be a subscriber. I am going to check my subscriber list. Just be a subscriber. Y'all like me anyway. So be a subscriber. Comment down in the comment section exactly what would you do with the 5K if you were to save that money up. Where would you put it? What would you use it on? What would you do with it? Simple as that. And number 3, just like the video. That helps me with the algorithm and gets me up a little higher and things of that nature. So with that being said, easy peasy. That's how you get into the 5K binder giveaway. This binder is going to have its envelopes. It's going to have the trackers. It is a 6 size. That is my love, is A6. Don't tell my husband I said that. So that's my love, is the A6 size. And it's going to be a magnetic closure binder. So I will bring that back on board next week when it is quote unquote made. And so y'all can see it, just so that you can view it. So with that being said, that's what we got for the binder giveaway. So here we go. Here's the other thing I need to talk to you about. I did a boo-boo. I did a mess up. If you don't know, which some of you may not know, I am completely blind. I have retinitis pigmentosa. I was born with this condition, and apparently both of my parents had to have had the condition in order for me to have it, because of the version that I have. Retinitis pigmentosa is a degenerative eye disease that you get genetically, and you're born with it. And I got lucky. My eyesight didn't fail me until my late 40s. So super happy and lucky. A lot of times it fails well before that. You can lose your sight in infancy or juvenile age or teenage years. I didn't lose mine until later in my 40s. I will be 50 at the end of this year, y'all, and I am so excited. I am so excited to turn 50. I got plans for my 50th birthday for my kids, and I'll talk about that in a different video, but I know where I'm going to eat. I know what they're getting me. I know all the things because I've made the list. So with that being said, very small list, y'all. It's not very expensive. I'm a huge Care Bear collector. I've got my Cabbage Patch Babies. I collect the Winnie the Pooh series, all kinds of stuff like that. I am a huge stuffy lover. I love all things stuffed animals. So with that being said, I'm getting a little out of my realm of what I was talking about. My apologies, but ADHD is here and I've got squirrel brain. So, all right, let's talk first about the no spin, low buy yearly savings challenge. I do not understand how that is so hard for me to constantly say. It's like a tongue twister to me. That is not what I'm showing you here, but we're going to talk about it real quick because I accidentally pulled the wrong savings challenge and was working the wrong savings challenge that I created myself and didn't pull the right one. I was supposed to be doing trackers. I wasn't doing trackers. I was doing the 365-day challenge. Oops, my bad. I will have to go back and correct that, and we will do that at a later time. So I will do that probably next week to try to get back on track with that because now I'm so far behind. I'm not sure if I can get caught up. I may just drop that challenge altogether and switch to my latest challenge, which is my In the Clouds Starter Stacker series. I think that's probably what I'll do. I hate to say I want to stop a challenge, but at the same time, y'all, it was my bad. I grabbed the wrong savings challenge when I was doing it. So let's go ahead and just say I'm going to drop that and work it next year. And we're going to start with the Starter Stacker series for In the Clouds because I really, really want to do that challenge so bad. I don't want to do too many challenges that I can't get anything done. So this is the Dime Savings Challenge. I showed this to you in the last video. Jessie said, Mom, I really don't want to keep scratching off the Dime Savings Challenge. I really would rather have it in the tracker version. So that's what we created, and that's what will be up in my Etsy shop. Do know that my Etsy shop currently is on vacation. I apologize. It is on vacation because we have a flash sale coming out on May 1st to May 3rd. Make sure you drop down in my description box later on when I reopen my shop in a few days, and make sure that you like my shop so you can get the updates on that because we do have a flash sale on all my lock boxes. They'll be 15% off for 72 hours, okay? So with that being said, this is the Dime Savings Challenge in the tracker version now, and I didn't do the $500 one right off the bat. I'm going to go ahead and I'm putting that back in here. This is the Dime Savings Challenge tracker set, and it saves you $6,680. I'm putting the other 4 trackers in here because there's 6 trackers in total, and I am working on the second tracker. The reason for me skipping around right off the bat is because I pulled all of the money out of the Dime Savings Challenge lockbox here, which is right in front of me. Y'all, these lockboxes are good size. They hold up to 700 individual bills. These are not small. These are really, really good size and kind of chunky too. I love it. So I pulled all the money out. I had $365 to work with for April since I'm running behind. And I had $345 already inside of the lockbox. So what I did is I took the keys and I unlocked the box, got the money out, and that's what we're going to work on. So once Jessie colored in all of these for me, I hope you guys can see it because I can't see it. She used a yellow highlighter. Now I'm going to get out, and I've got to find it downstairs, my green, my purple, my orange, all my other color highlighters. I think that's the easiest way for us to color these in. And I'm not sure if you could see the yellow contrast against the background that's white. So if you can, please let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all, I'm blind, so Jessie is my go-girl when it comes to anything with helping me with budgeting. And Philip is my brainiac who helps me with my designs on my Etsy. I usually tell him what I want. We talk, we discuss, we argue, we go back and forth, and when we settle on something, and I kid you not, y'all, his brain just connects to mine. It's like his brain is an extension of my brain. So I love it, love it, love it. So we have a total of $710 to work with today. Now, I will tell you on that tracker, we are $4 over what Jesse colored in. So I'll have to remember that for next time. Let me take a sip of my coffee. My son ran across the street and he bought me a coffee. I'm so proud of him. He bought me a coffee at the gas station across the street. I didn't buy it. He bought it for me. So I do appreciate him doing that. Love it. Love my kids. Also, one thing I do want to start, I told my husband I need to get a tracker started for myself because I don't have any self-care trackers for myself. But y'all, if you haven't, this is off topic, I know, but if you've never tried this scent, this is the Bath & Body Works Strawberry Pound Cake. I get it on Amazon. Oh my Lord, y'all. This is the best scent on the planet. It literally smells like strawberry shortcake, y'all. Like a strawberry pound cake. I get the spray and the lotion. It's my husband's favorite scent. He says I just smell like a dessert. So that's what we have. Okay. That was a little off topic, but I was just thinking I've got to get a self-care envelope together for myself because I'm going to run out of that soon. And that was only, I think it was $9 on Amazon, so it's even cheaper than Bath & Body Works sometimes, unless you can get coupons and things. So we have 100, 200, and 300. 320, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85 is going to stick. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 75, and 710. Now, y'all, I'm using prop money because there's no way in hell I'm leaving this kind of money in my house. Everything stays in my bank. I'm blind, and if I miscalculate, that would be bad if I miscalculate at home. It's okay if I miscalculate here, or I'm sorry, it'd be bad if I miscalculate on the bank side, but it would be okay if I miscalculated something here, so I could fix it really quick, but I don't want to have that kind of money in my house anyways. Oops, I just hit my camera. Hold tight for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and just drop the bills straight in. I'm not even going to fold them. I'm just going to drop them straight in little batches here. It's probably really close to the camera, so my apologies. Y'all know I can't see anything, but I can feel where that hole slot is, and I absolutely love it. You can stick a good amount of bills in there at one time without getting it stuck. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. So that is actually in my savings account right now in the bank. I have one listed for quote-unquote Dime Savings Challenge, so I know exactly where that's from. So we have $710 in there right now. Again, it says $6,680. Absolutely love it. I love it. So that goes over here in my file. Now, the next thing we need to talk about is memberships. I am changing my membership levels here quickly. In fact, I think my son and I are going to change them tonight. They don't reflect exactly what I want to have in memberships, and I've never actually done the memberships yet when it comes to launching them. So I will be launching them this coming week. I'm going to make them really cool memberships. I don't want to just do a members only once a month. I just don't think that gives you enough value, especially if you're doing a paid membership. I know a lot of budgeters will do a once a month membership or something like that when it comes to certain tiers. I want you guys to be able to cash in on a bunch of different things. So my son and I are going to sit down, we're going to talk through it, and we're going to launch memberships. I will come back with an entire sheet showing you everything that we're going to do for memberships, including lives and things of that nature, behind the scenes as an Etsy shop owner, and how we create products. And those who are in the higher tiers will actually help me decide what products are going to go on Etsy. They will get first dibs on certain things and things of that nature. So we haven't quite created it yet, but we're looking into doing that. And I think me and my son can come up with something tonight to flip the script and change that a little bit and be able to offer those memberships. But I want you guys to make sure that you run over to my community post, which is already up, y'all. I'm like on it now. I am on it today. Hopefully this consistency stays much better right now, because I am super, super tired at night after I've done everything I've needed to do during the day, and I just don't have enough hours in my day, y'all. I really don't. So I want you to run over to my community post. I want you to vote on Friday's drop. This is coming next Friday. Now, don't forget, the video I just loaded up today earlier has the savings challenges for what won last week that I dropped today. The one I'm talking about today is going to drop next Friday on May 1st. So run over to my community post. It's absolutely free. Click on the savings challenge you want to win. And Friday morning, I usually look at that And then I talk to my son, recreate it, and we drop it in the link. So every Friday, you'll be able to go into my description and find that link so that you can click on it. And again, you can print it as many times as you want. You can save it so that you have it for later, and so that you can print it more and more and more. You can share it with your friends, your coworkers, your families, your neighbors, everything. No strings attached. You can share it wherever you want to share it. You can give it to whoever you want to give it, because those are freebies. Those are for you to do with them what you want. No strings attached from me. So that's what we got for that. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, suggestions, anything, always know that you can throw it down in the comment section. I definitely go and read everybody's comment. I reply to everybody's comment. I make sure that everybody feels like they are valued here, that they are heard here, that they are seen here, even though I don't see that you're seen here, and things of that nature. So that's what we have for you today. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. I have a 5K binder to go make now with my son, who doesn't know it's going to be made. But y'all, we can put that together overnight, no problem. So I have that 5K binder that I need to make and get ready for the winner. So hopefully you're the lucky winner that wins next Friday. So we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye for now.